Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to know how to know who screenshotted your Snapchat story. It is pretty quick and easy, so let's get into the video. Once you have logged in into your Snapchat account, head over to your Bitmoji by clicking the Bitmoji icon on the upper left corner and scroll down, and you can see there is the option My Stories, and here you can see under My Story there is an eye icon and a screenshot icon, and beside the eye icon there is number 2, and beside the screenshot icon there is number 1. It means that 2 people have seen your story and 1 people have screenshotted it. And this is how you can get to know who have screenshotted your Snapchat story. And if you know further details of the person who screenshotted that, go to the 2 views, and here you can see beside the person panda there is the screenshot option. It means that person has seen and screenshotted your Snapchat story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.